Hey everyone, welcome to the new generation Adria Twin presentation. As we all know, the Twin family members are super comfy and perfect for your adventures. But did you know just how many changes we've made with you and your van life in mind? Let's dive in. On the outside, you will find the new fresh graphics, but also take a look at these frame wall windows. Their sleek automotive design really gives the van a modern look. And the panoramic window, guess what? Now you can open it. That's right, let some fresh air in whenever you feel like it. It's made from glass, very easy to open. And here is the darkening system with mosquito net. When talking about Twin Sport like the one we have here, it comes with a pop-top roof, of course. New and very innovative is the inflatable roof, which appears like that. Compared to the standard tent roof, the new inflatable roof offers better sound and temperature insulation. Plus, it comes with a heated mattress that you can control on each side for your personalized comfort. So now it's time to step inside and you'll notice the difference immediately. The benefits, however, are hidden in many small improvements. Let's start with the net, where the most time is spent while sitting. And we have improved that. The seats now offer more comfort for longer drives, looking more like driving seat as well. Okay, now the table. A lot of improvement here. First of all, you can put it away like this. What to do with the table? Simply hide it in the floor. Or set it outside thanks to a really strong magnetic add-on. And guess what? Now you can use the mosquito net with the open doors and the table outside without any problem. Electricity sockets and USB ports used to be here, but now they are here lower. Why? Because it's cleaner this way, more organized, and with no wires hanging over you, simple to use your devices on the table. You can find the electronic wastewater disposal valve right here. Speaking of sockets, we hid the TV plugs in here. A cleaner look if you don't need them, simple to use if you do. Before we move into the kitchen, I want to show you the new digital panels. Easy to use and lets you control all the functions you expect. Lights, heating, extra features and so on. In the kitchen, drawers now feature push locks. These prevent drawers from opening while driving and are nicer to use in general. Our cupboards have always been spacey, but these new cupboards are even larger and now really offer a big storage space. We achieved this thanks to the EPP material, which enables us to follow the van form better, takes less space and allows higher front opening. EPP is really a great material. It's water resistant, 100% recyclable, offers great strength and less noise. And see this here? We even found space for a coffee machine. Yeah, we all know you love this too. In the cupboard, under the fridge, you can find a multi-purpose bag that you can fit also on the drawers with these handy places. And the last thing, we've heard you need about proper space for bottles. And we've got you. See this here? Yep, space for bottles. And by the way, the countertop is also redesigned with an option to expand it. It's a small thing, but it means a lot in the terms of space to stand, walk and turn inside the van. Are you ready to check the bathroom? You'll find extra storage behind the toilet. We have added more towel hangers, placed a socket inside the cupboard, and you will appreciate a modern look with black faucets. And what about bedroom? Before we move to the rear part, there's a really important innovation here. Sliding doors that work as a barrier separating living space from the garage and also provide access to the garage, which comes in handy at times. But there's also something else. Foldable step for the bed. It's easy to use and take a lot less space than a ladder. And super comfy with this felt on the top. When it's time to sleep, the comfortable bedroom awaits. Now the electrically or manually operated bed allows for sleeping at full width at any height. You can also freely move the reading lights, creating a desired atmosphere, or simply find a better position to read or work. You can also move the USB sockets. Check this! Now you can lock all the doors from your bed. Oh, do you remember the cup holder from the net? You can place one here too. And now let's see what's under the bed. Better from this side. In the garage is now plenty of light, so you can see everything in this big space. These practical door panels are now made from plastic for easier cleaning. What are we really proud of is this slide-out floor. You won't believe how much easier it is to handle bikes and other gear with it. Okay, so now you know almost everything about the new generation Twins. Make sure to visit your dealer and check everything in person. There are a lot of improvements that are hard to show in the video, but worth mentioning. We improved fittings quality all around the van. Electrical installation is now easily accessible for improved serviceability. From the weight perspective, we have optimized also all wooden furniture, and we've added premium insulation on vital parts like doors, roof, floor and walls. The van is equipped with a Webasto diesel heater and a Whale boiler. Additionally, an optional power pack with lithium battery inverter and solar panels is available. At the end, let's mention our sustainability efforts. Like we said, EPP is 100% recyclable. At least 55% of insulation is made out of recycled material. And the handy cup holders? Made from Adria's own recycled material. We really hope you like the new Twin. We have put a lot of efforts into it, and also thank you for your tips and ideas. Bye!